Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to convert your Ethereum, ETH, into British pounds, GBP, using Binance in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this process has gotten even smoother, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. Whether you're cashing out for everyday expenses or just exploring options, this guide is perfect for you. First things first, make sure you have a verified Binance account. If you don't, head over to the Binance website or app and sign up. It's quick and secure. Once you're logged in, you'll need some ETH in your spot wallet. If it's in another wallet, transfer it to Binance first to keep things simple. Now, let's get to the conversion. Start by going to the Trade section on the Binance homepage. Look for the Convert or Trade tab. By 2025, Binance might have updated their interface for even easier access. Select ETH as your source asset and GBP as your target. Enter the amount of ETH you want to convert, and you'll see a real-time estimate of how much GBP you'll get, factoring in current market rates and any fees. Before you hit confirm, double-check for transaction fees. Binance usually has competitive rates, but they can vary, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Once you're ready, click Convert, and wait for the transaction to process. It should only take a few minutes. After the conversion, your GBP will appear in your Binance fiat wallet. If you need to withdraw it, go to the Withdraw section, select GBP, and choose your bank account. Remember, for security, always enable two-factor authentication and be cautious of market volatility. Crypto prices can fluctuate wildly. There you have it, folks. You've just converted ETH to GBP on Binance in 2025. It's that straightforward. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay savvy and see you in the next one.